Hi, this is Lauren Hines with Craft Some Joy. I'm so excited to share with you today a really quick craft room tour and one of my latest accomplishments, which is to organize all of my paper punches and have them easily accessible and at my fingertips. So in one of my last videos, I showed you how you could do your own DIY inventory binder where you can keep all of your punches on hand and accessible according to the different manufacturers. And then what I realized is that I really needed to have a better organizational system for finding my punches when I needed them. So here's what I came up with. Ta-da! Okay, so here they are. These are two of the Ikea Helmer drawer cabinets. These guys are on rollers, and so they just roll right underneath my work table. I did pull them out to give you a little better look at them. They do come unassembled, and so it takes a little bit of time to get these guys put together, but it's really well worth it. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of show you how I have my punches organized and see really how you can store quite a lot of punches in each of these drawers. Now I have mine categorized just kind of what worked for me. Borders, fancy, labels and banners. And you can see there's quite a lot of room. And there's some of the punches you're able to store on the side, which is really great. Some you can just kind of see what shape or what punch that they punch, and you can easily get an idea of what you have in your drawers. These drawers do get heavy. Punches are mostly metal, and so even after a while though, I've noticed these IKEA cabinets hold up. These are metal cabinets, and so they're pretty durable and solid. So you can see how I have all my different punch manufacturers all mixed in, labeled together in one drawer, so that if I'm working on a particular card or particular project, it's all right here, easily accessible at my fingertips. So it's quite fun to see how all the different shapes can work together once you get these organized into categories that work for you. Okay, these last two drawers are two of my favorites. These are all the Border Maker cartridges that work with the Creative Memories Border Maker system, my favorite. And I did need two drawers for those because my collection keeps growing, and it's wonderful how much these drawers can hold. So you can see, wow, quite a few of the different cartridges and how much each of these drawers will hold. Okay, so I'm really excited on getting all of my punches organized, and you can see how they can just slide and roll right under the table and get put away and give you a little more room. There's two of the Ikea Helmer drawer cabinets. They really are economical for as many punches as they are able to store. I don't have a whole lot of table space in my small craft room, and so being able to push these underneath my work table was really beneficial. And being able to organize them into all the different categories was really helpful in getting things easily accessible for me. So I hope this was helpful, along with my DIY punch inventory binder, which is also really fun to keep track of all the different paper punches that you have in your craft room. I'd love to hear if you're going to try this system for yourself, or if you might also have a great way of storing your own punches. So until next time, I hope you take time to craft some joy. Bye.